Mila, and My Magic Pet Morphle can morph into anything!
Morph, morph!
Let's go! What shall we do today, Morphle?
Morphle want fun!
Ooh, that looks like fun! I know! Morphle! Morph into a monster truck!
Monster truck? Ooh! Ah! Morph, morph!
Let's have a monstrously good time!
What monster truck? Aha! Ice cream!
Hey!
Orphle need drink!
Hey!
Orphle play!
What was that?
Garbage fun!
Morphle! Morph into a tow truck so we can drag this mischievous monster away!
Orphle strong!
Orphle, stop!
Thanks!
Morphle, morph into a giant spider!
Morphle, morph, morph!
Quick, Morphle! Fire your web at Orphle and stop him! Morphle! He's not stopping! Shoot some more web onto one of his wheels! Well done, Morphle! This is a monster truck, Orphle.
Oh!
Now we can have fun together! Every day is a magical day with a magic pet. Uh-huh. It looks just like a Nemi. Let's go show him.
Now's our chance, Yorn. We can take a Nemi. Once a Nemi's brought our magic pet to life, we'll have the perfect candy-stealing creature. Yorn, zap it! Oh, it's alive! Now, go steal us some Halloween candy!
A Nemi gone?
Let's go look for him.
Oh, it's you, Morphle. Stealing candy? Not in my city. Now, where are my extra-large handcuffs?
A giant Morphle!
It's some kind of Frankenmorphle, and it's stealing everyone's candy.
Morphle! Morph into a werewolf and save Geralda.
Morph, morph!
Oh, thank you, Morphle. I thought it was gonna eat me like an ice cream.
Frankenmorphle's getting away!
Wow, Morphle! That's a really good costume. But where's Mila? Hey! You should have asked if you wanted candy.
Our magic pet is so evil. It's even more beautiful than I imagined.
No! My candy!
We need to get Animi and turn Frankenmorphle back before it ruins Halloween. Play along, Morphle. Oh, Morphle, won't you try some of this delicious candy?
Candy tasty.
Morphle, morph into a broom and fly over Frankenmorphle.
Morph, morph.
Animi, turn Frankenmorphle back to normal. Thanks, Animi. Now, you bandits will have to give everyone their Halloween candy back. Magic pets won't just do what you tell them to. They have to trust you and be your friend. And that makes every day a magical day with a magic pet. Hey, everyone! Look what I made! For my best friend.
Yay!
Morphle? I wanted to give him his badge.
What's this?
Uh-oh. Morphle, morph. Oh.
Morphle! Oh, I don't know where he is.
Don't worry, Mila. We'll find him together.
Thanks, April.
Where should we look first?
Let's go to all the places he loves, starting with
The ice cream truck.
Mila badge.
Oh, a best friend badge for me.
Morphle need badge.
You're not taking my badge.
Can't find us here.
Geraldo! Have you seen Morphle? Oh no! Morphle's in trouble! I have to help.
But how do we get up there?
Morphle!
Mila!
Are you okay?
Bandits mean.
Morphle, morph into a super suit so we can stop them together.
Morphle, morph, morph.
Oh!
We need to go faster. You stop right there, bandits.
Oh, fine. Here's your badge.
Wait, you didn't make that for me?
Morphle, did you make this for me? I love it! Are you sad because you didn't get a badge?
Huh? Mila make Morphle badge.
Of course! You're not only my best friend, you make every day a magical day. Let's make today magical! Morphle, morph into me!
Yeah.
Now put these on, and we can play pranks on Daddy and our friends. You look exactly like me!
Morphle is Mila. Boo.
Oh, it's you, Mila. I didn't see you come down.
That's because I'm still up here.
Oh, then you must be Morphle?
Hey, Mila, do you and Morphle want to play?
Morphle no here, but Mila play.
Great, let's go.
Hi, Mila.
Hi.
What shall we play, Mila? You're great at thinking up fun games.
Tag?
Yeah, okay, Mila. You're it.
Tag.
Whoa!
Wow. Wait a second. You're not Mila. You're Morphle.
Look! Morphle isn't with them, so we can steal their toys. Great idea. Ah.
Hey, that's ours.
Ah. Thanks for the hula hoop.
Give it back.
Mila!
Hey, that's not nice.
What's going on? Get me down! Yeah! There's two Milas! Hey! Come back!
Morphle! Did you have fun being me?
Yeah, but Morphle like being Morphle best.
Every day's a magical day with a magic pet.
Good catch, Mila. It landed right in my hat.
Shark! There's a shark! Ah! Oh no! We have to help him. Morphle, morph into a speedboat so we can get there fast.
Morphle, morph!
We're coming to get you! Uh-oh!
Morphle stuck?
You're trapped in seaweed. I'll help you, Morphle. Are you okay?
I'm okay, but I didn't see where the shark went. I guess it swam away.
Morphle, you have to morph back into yourself to get free. Don't worry, you'll be safe, I promise. We're with you and the silly shark isn't around anymore. Let's play. How about follow the leader in the water? Follow me.
It's the shark again!
Wait, I know that giggle. I think Orphle is just pretending to be a scary shark. He's pranking us.
That's not very nice.
No, it's not. Maybe we should show Orphle how his prank made us feel. Morphle, please morph into a bigger shark than Orphle.
Morphle!
We won't be mean, Morphle. Just swim around Orphle. Orphle, it's not really a shark. It's Morphle. You pranked us, so I wanted to show you how it feels.
Awful sorry.
I'm sure you didn't mean to scare anyone.
Awful play.
Oh. Why don't we all play a game together?
Yeah!
We could play hide and soak.
Or dolphin pose. buffalo. Morphle and Orphle can morph into dolphins, and we can ride them.
Morphle and Orphle, morph, morph!
Don't let the ball fall in the water. Shark!
It's just me.
It's not a shark. It's a daddy wearing his shark fin hat. Oh, Daddy.
Hey, how about a daddy and dolphins race?
Yeah! Every day's a magical day with a magic pet. Oh, no! Look! Builder Mary is wrecking the city! Why would she do that, Morphle?
Not in my city.
Ooh! Zap him with the Hypno Ray, Yorn! Let her knock down that building.
Knock down the building.
Morphle, morph into a giant robot so you can be as big as the buildings.
Morphle, morph, morph!
Stop Mary from wrecking the city, Morphle.
Morphle, stop Mary!
No, Morphle! Help her wreck the city!
Okay, Bandit.
Oh no! Morphle has become bad!
Thanks to this Hypno Ray that we stole from Paula the scientist, everybody in the city will have to do what we say! Give us free ice creams!
Free ice cream?
Daddy, the bandits are making everyone destroy the city.
How can we stop them?
I've got a plan.
We're the most brilliant baddies. And it's all because of this Hypno Ray.
Daddy, grab the bandits.
Oh, hey!
Paula, get the Hypno Ray. I'll take this.
Hey!
Quickly, unhypnotize Morphle. Mary?
Huh?
And Officer Freeze. Morphle and Builder Mary, can you please rebuild the city?
Yes! Morphle like building.
Uh-huh.
Officer Freeze, arrest those bandits.
For wrecking the city, you two are going to jail.
Why is everyone doing what Mila tells them to do? Yeah, did you hypnotize them?
We didn't do what Mila said because she hypnotized us. We did it because she had a great plan.
Huh?
Forcing people to do things they don't want to isn't very nice. Great work, everyone.
Every day is a magical day with a magic morphing pet. Happy birthday, Morphle!
Look! I made the perfect Morphle red ice cream!
We weren't invited to the party?
I don't want to celebrate with Morphle's dumb red ice cream, Uncle Yawn. I want purple ice cream and I want it now!
I've got a plan, Winston. We'll steal the ice cream truck and make some purple ice cream ourselves.
My ice cream truck!
Come on, Morphle. Let's get the ice cream truck back. Can you morph into something that will help us see the whole city?
Morphle! Morph, morph!
Oh no! We're stuck! Morphle, morph into a super suit!
Morphle, morph!
After we make purple ice cream, we'll throw our own party and invite no one!
Stop giggling and make it! That's not purple!
Ice cream gone!
Don't cry. Morph magnet hands so we can bring that truck back.
Morphle, morph, morph!
New plan!
Run! They're getting away! Morphle, morph into a brachiosaurus to catch them!
Bracky, brack, 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 brack. Dino, morph, morph!
Still want my purple ice cream since I wasn't invited to Morphle's party!
Winston, is that why you stole Geraldo's truck? Oh, I'm sorry. You must have felt left out. Hey, I have an idea that will make everyone happy. Purple ice cream!
Thank you. I'm sorry we took your truck. Happy birthday, Morphle.
Yay!
Ew!
Look! A new lion is coming to the animal sanctuary!
I love lions.
Orphle lions! Roar!
Lion! Lion!
Don't worry, Mechanic Joe. I think that was only Orphle. We'll find him. Morphle, morph into a sniffer dog.
Morphle! Morph, morph!
Yes, you've got Orphle's scent. Let's go and get him.
But it wasn't Orphle.
Lion!
Morphle, morph into a safari truck.
Morphle! Morph, morph!
Lion?
Which way did Orphle go? Thanks.
They think the lion is Orphle.
There he is. Got him. Orphle, you're scaring everyone.
Orphle not scare anyone?
Lion! Morphle, Orphle, morph into toy mice.
Morphle and Orphle, morph, morph!
To the animal sanctuary.
Thank you for getting him back safely. Come on, Toodles.
Bye, Toodles!
Every day's a magical day with a magic pet. I told you we'd always catch you if you do mean things, bandits.
Thanks, Mila and Morphle.
If only we had our own morphing magic pet, we could cause more trouble in the city.
Look, it's Orphle.
Can you get us out of here?
Oh no, my cars!
What? How did you get out of jail? Not in my city.
Oh no, it's Officer Freeze.
Quick, Orphle! Morph into something big!
T-Rex?
I thought you'd be scarier.
A monkey? Hey, give back my camera.
Come and get it!
Those bandits used a robot to do this.
A robot? We'll catch them, Mechanic Joe.
The bandits have a scary T-Rex dinosaur.
A dinosaur and a robot? How strange. We'll catch them, Officer Freeze.
Those mean bandits and their naughty monkey put my camera up there.
Let's find those mean bandits, Morphle. A robot, a dinosaur, and a monkey? I think those bandits have Orphle with them. We'll catch them, April.
Oh no, it's Mila and Morphle.
Quick, Orphle! Morph into something big!
Morphle, morph into a T-Rex too.
Morphle, morph, morph.
That's not big enough!
Morphle, morph into a robot too.
Morphle, morph, morph.
I don't feel so good.
Orphle, stop that.
Okay. Orphle tired now.
I told you we'd always catch you if you do mean things, bandits.
Oh!
Every day's a magical day with a magic pet. It's Halloween, Morphle. What are you gonna dress up as?
Ghost.
Oh, spooky! Come on, let's go trick-or-treating.
Ghost.
Huh? Oh, Morphle, it's only your reflection.
Wait for Morphle.
Trick or treat! Ah!
A ghost!
Did you see how much candy they got?
Yeah! Be a ghost and get the most!
Mila! Morphle! Two real ghosts just stole my Halloween candy.
But, Jordy, ghosts aren't real.
Then what are they?
Candy.
No! Morphle, morph into a big robot and scare those ghosts away. Morphle?
I'll take that!
Oh, I'll zap you with my zapper.
Oh no, a zapper.
again.
I'll take that.
And I'll take this.
I recognize those shoes.
Uh-oh.
Give it back.
Without Morphle, you can't stop us.
Mila!
Morphle! I was worried about you. Morph into a bat and flap your wings hard.
Morphle! Morph, morph!
No!
I knew it was you two.
Let's split.
Our candy!
Morphle! Morph into a spider and catch those bandits in your web.
Thanks, Mila and Morphle.
You're welcome. Thanks for helping even though you were scared.
Morphle no scared anymore.
Oh, every day's a magical day with a magic pet. Over here!
Past me! Fast, over here! Come on, come on!
Hey! 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 Stop making so much noise! Barky and I are having a nap.
Sorry, Mr. Vanderboos. We'll keep the noise down.
Good.
Oh, we can't play no more.
How about we play the Be Quiet game?
What's that?
We carry on playing, but we just have to be as quiet as mice.
Yay! Sorry.
Over here.
Over here, I'm open.
Bess! Yikes! Morphle, morph into a super suit. Let's get that ball. That was too close. Let's get out of here, Morphle. What shall we play now? Balloon tennis. Whoops. Phew.
Uh-oh.
Morphle, morph into a fire truck. Phew. Morphle, pull me back. I think we should try another game.
Morphle too spinny.
Not again!
Morphle, morph into a tiger.
Morph, morph.
Quick, let's go.
That's better. I feel great after my little nap.
Too close.
I suppose you can have this for being quiet.
Every day's a magical day with a magic pet. I can hear the bus, but I can't see it, Morphle. Huh?
Huh? Bus Tiny.
A little bus and bus driver Stacy. How did this happen?
I have no idea. I was driving along and zap! I became tiny.
We have to get you back to your normal size.
Please hurry. I've got passengers. passengers to pick up.
We'll help. Morphle, morph into a bus.
Morphle, morph.
Look! Everything's tiny! What's going on? Where's Officer Freeze?
Ah, shoo! Get away from me! Shoo! Oh, thanks, Mila. The bandits shrunk me as I was about to get in my car.
I knew they'd be behind this. But how are we going to find them? I know! We'll follow the trail of shrunken things. Morphle, morph into a police car, and let's make today magical!
A mini soccer ball.
A mini police station. They've even shrunk the ice cream truck.
What? Not in my city.
The bandits definitely came this way. But where are they now?
Tiny crane.
We have to get that shrink ray. Chase those bad bandits, Morphle. Give us that shrink ray, you naughty bandits.
Never! Let us go! Seven! Now shrink Morphle!
Hey, what's happening?
Catch bandits!
Thanks for your help, Mila and Morphle. I think I'll keep you this size for a while.
Every day is a magical day with a magic pet. Are you ready to do 3 painting jobs in one day?
Ready!
Morphle, morph into a paintbrush.
Morph, morph!
Come on, let's get arty.
No! There they are.
Huh?
Hello. Did you like our painting?
You ruined my portrait. You ruined my car.
You ruined my barn.
I don't understand. Our work was perfect when we left. Wait a minute. Orphle, have you done any painting today?
Yeah! Orphle painting!
What have you painted?
Picture! Car born! Painting fun!
Oh, Orphle, you painted some things you weren't supposed to paint. Would you like to help us fix it all?
Yeah!
Great! Morphle and Orphle, morph into paintbrushes!
Morphle and Orphle, morph, morph!
Wonderful. You've really captured my handsomeness.
Huh. Oh, I know! Morphle and Orphle, morph into elephants.
Morphle and Orphle, morph, morph!
Wonderful! You've made my car as good as new.
We need something more powerful than elephants for this. Oh, I know! Morphle and Orphle morph into fire engines.
Morphle and Orphle, morph, morph!
Wonderful! You've made my barn beautiful again.
Thanks for helping us put everything right, Orphle.
Orphle, great painter! Look!
Come on! We've got a lot of painting to do. Ready to play hide and seek? Yay! Remember, don't leave the yard in case those pesky bandits are on the loose. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ready or not, here I come.
Are we there yet? Carry me.
I have a better idea. Let's steal that bike.
Found you.
You're too good at this game, Mila.
But I can't find Morphle. Can you see him anywhere?
Nope. He's hiding really well.
Morphle! Morphle! Come out, wherever you are. Let's ask Magic Pet Glitterpug to turn us into Morphles. Wow, thanks!
Yay!
I'll morph into a race car to find him quickly.
If I can fly, I'll be able to look for Morphle all over the city. Awesome! I'm a superhero! I see Morphle! But the bandits have him. Oops!
Morphle!
Ah, stop! The bridge is going up.
We can make it.
I command you to stop. Hey!
Morphle! Morph into a helicopter to fly over the bridge.
Thanks, Mila. Now we have our own helicopter.
Yeah.
Hey, what's going on?
I've got an idea. Follow me.
Morphle, no bandit helicopter!
Quick, let's steal these bikes and get away. Uh-oh.
Mila!
Yes! It's me, Morphle. Jump in. Let's get these bandits back where they belong.
Sorry. Morphle do what Mila say next time.
It's okay. Every day is a magical day with morphing magic friends. Daddy's gonna love this cake we've made for him, Morphle.
Look tasty.
Daddy works so hard looking after us. He deserves a treat sometimes.
Whoa, cake! Orphle eat cake!
Hey, put that down! We've got to get that cake back. Morphle, morph into a space hopper.
Morphle, morph, morph!
You give that cake back, Orphle.
Why, you?
Morphle, sorry!
You!
Yeah! Morphle, no eat Daddy's cake!
Morphle, morph into a race car so we can catch Orphle.
Morphle! Morph, morph!
Not again!
So sorry, Mr. Vanderboos. We made that cake for Daddy.
Come and get it!
Orphle's going to ruin Daddy's cake. We have to get it back. Morphle, morph into a robot. We can still make today magical.
Morphle! Morph, morph!
That's the third time today!
Sorry!
No!
Morphle, catch that cake! Well done, Morphle. You saved the cake. We'll bring you a nice slice later, Mr. Vanderboos.
Hey! What about Morphle?
We made you this cake, Daddy.
Oh, thank you. I hope you didn't go to any trouble.
No trouble, Daddy. Every day's a magical day with a magic pet.